How to remove bank account on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove your bank account from your PayPal account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove your bank or any of the payment method that you've actually added, all you need to do is just open up your browser, then go to paypal.com, then sign into your account. The first way you can do this is by simply going to your wallet, right? When you go to your wallet, you'll be able to see the cards as well as the bank that you've added, and then you can remove the card respectively once you've added them. Or the other thing that you can do is basically just click the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the gear icon from the top right, you'll land on this page right over here where you have to just go to the option called payments, and then once you go to payments over here, you will see this type of interface where it says you can manage your payments. So if there are any type of payment method or the bank that you added, you can simply remove them by just clicking the delete button over here. And this is how you can delete or remove your bank account on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.